Hello guys, for today's video guys, we are going to visit the beautiful succulent in Julie's Garden. So let's go. See ya. Enjoy watching. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Viewlist TV, and I would like to thank my supporters for always watching my videos. Thank you so much.
A few moments later.
We are here at Ate Julie's Garden. Thank you very much, Ate, for allowing us to see your beautiful garden.
I was waiting till the sky was falling, held my breath till every single star had a light on my mind. I never saw it coming, didn't think you wake me with a kiss like this. I was waiting till the sky was falling, held my breath till every single star had a light on my mind. I never saw it coming, didn't think you wake me with a kiss like this.
Oh, I see autumn flame. You're so stressed. It's so beautiful. And the ioniums. Also, I see, is it canvas crested? I think so. And the arrangement with the beautiful pots and the other ioniums, jeans pot. Oh my god. I see that beautiful succulent. Oh, Doogie, you're there. Are you okay? You're so cute. And the other succulents arrangement, it's so beautiful. Kami pa rin na magkakasama. Nandito kami sa garden natin, Julie.
Walang hiwala na, walang hiwala.
Oh, walang hiwala yan. Oh, dyan si Ate Ay, si Ate Mimi, yung may-ari ng garden. Kami pa rin. Kami pa rin to.
Walang
Walang uwian.
pag-uwian. Ayaw maghiwala.
This corner is the Echeverias with the cute pots, with the beautiful succulents and the hanging beautiful pots around the garden. They're so beautiful and colorful. I love it. This houseplant is Philodendron Burl Marx variegated. This is Graptopetalum merines, succulent shrublet that forms small rosette and fleshy leaves. And it's called also miniature pink form. I love the color of the ghost plant or ghost tea and the lushy purple delight. Oh, I love it. What a beautiful Leticia crested with a vase pot. It's so nice. And this cutie pots with a beautiful succulents. It's so amazing. Kaya nga eh. Ang lakas ng ulan sa labas. Oh my God. Ang ganda ng pabubong talaga. Ito yung maganda sa ano, dito sa... They said, friends are like flowers, they fill the world with beauty. May napanood ako sabi, friendship is like a beautiful garden. The more you put into it, the more it grows. Ay, paano to? Arigato, kuya. Dito, binibenta rito, te.
May binibenta ka ba rito? Ako na sa inyo. Pwede mas.
Baka naman pinapasok mo lang kami dito, wala kang bebenta. Ay, ang ganda ni ano, shit, ni Kante. Para usog.
Discount yan.
Sino yan?
Si Blue Light o Blue
Ah, sino no? Sugoy ni.
Kasi di ba nung una tayo, adik-adik,
Ate, ba't pag sa video, ang laki tingnan ng ano mo, Binil House. Sobrang laki.
video,
This is Madiba Hybrid. What a beautiful color. The rosette, it's so nice. This is rose cabbage or imbricata. So healthy and beautiful.
Genki na siya. Pag genki talaga. Yes, niya parang barigahit na lang.
Sa halaman niya.
ganun ba yun?
Oo, te.
Talagang pa, yabang-yabang kayo ha.
Nag-aangas.
Yung mga pa 50-50 ang buhay.
Talagang gusto kong ano, sino to? Ang taba mo daya.
Nagmamaganda
Nagmamaganda. Sino? Ate, Cubic Frost?
Oo.
Ito ang seller na ayaw magbenta. Gusto namin to, ayaw din ulit ko. Tapos ano ID? Hindi ko alam. Gusto ko to, hindi pwede yan. Nagbebenta ka? Oo. Nang keep the change na. Ang ganda niyan, ate ko. Yan o, San Francisco ba yan sa atin?
Pala sa kanya na.
No. Paborito ng mother ko yan.
Cuttings.
Cuttings. No, it's okay. Fine siya dyan. Yung cactus mo, ang lago din, oh.
Dati
Yan,
nung
oh.
yan, pinalipat ko kay... Wala na.
May saging ka pa dyan, ang saya. May pasaging sa taas.
Yun yung ginamit namin.
Oo. Oh. Ang ganda. This side is her Ionium collection with a beautiful pots and beautiful Ioniums with a stress color. This corner is the Madiba collection. She loves Madiba too. I love the differences of the color, the size, and the pots. I love it. This one is the stunning of them all. She buy this in Korea. Saan?
Ayan ang loget. Sino na?
Ano, you want?
Meron ako eh.
Ang dami yung lovely rose.
Ito ka ba yung hero? Ano, pink orange.
Ayan.
Hindi ko alam pangalan. Huwag mo ako nga, pasta. Dali sa
Tita, wala mapaglagyan pati sa pader. Apakaganda. Kaya bisa rasisyo. Duko. Ghost plant in the wall. Wow. In the wall. So nice. So cute. Ang cute. Oh. Ay, may ano pa sila. Siya, ibang pichiberia.すごいね、あんちゃん。ここもできてるね。ほら。やばくね。This side is planted in the ground. You can see how beautiful they are, how lushy, how healthy, because the root can grow freely. I wish I can have space like this too. Sana all. Wow, ang gaganda ng embry. Ate, huwag mo puputulin, sayang. Thank you so much.
Ang daming drive. Para ano makahinga din sila. No?
Oo. Pero grabe, ang gaganda. Ang gaganda. Uy, marami si ating freebies na cuttings. May nakikita ako dun, no? May hawak-hawak ng cuttings.
Look my lovely rose. Pinky lovely rose.
Oh my God, ang gaganda ng rose. Ang ganda. The greatest happiness comes from the simplest things, like watching plants grow and flourish.
Ayusin mo.
Ganda na sino yun?
Si
Dekoro? O kiwi?
Kiwi, si Kiwi. Maganda si Kiwi sa ano lang, bebe. Karoy Ishi. Stress na ano, si Kiwi.
Ako makapadaban sa paan.
Ano lang, Karoy Ishi.
Wala kang alam. Wala kang garden soy.
Hindi na ako naglalagay ng garden.
Ba't kasi ano yung kiwi mo? Sabihin mo na Baka ano.
This corner is her ornamental collections. They are so cute. Thank you for watching, guys, and thank you Ate Julie for sharing your beautiful garden. See you next time. Bye.